As the region moves toward creating a workforce for a growing green economy, it is important to understand what skills will be needed to fill green positions now and in the future. According to employers, green workers will need to be adaptable, allowing companies to take advantage of new markets and opportunities afforded by the green economy. Training providers are working hard to fill this need by providing comprehensive interdisciplinary education.
So we have the Business School, College of Public Service, we have Parks College of Engineering, we have the Earth and Environmental Sciences people coming in, and they're all offering courses with the idea that all of those topics contribute to a systems understanding of these issues.
We're now beginning to actually green some of our degree programs. We're creating a new sustainable design, a sustainable construction, a hybrid automobile maintenance degree program or module within our existing degree program, as well as an energy technician program to support renewable energies.
It's important that the higher education community and the St. Louis metropolitan area, have the curriculum and the academic programs that supply the workforce of the 21st century, because if the people locally aren't able to get those jobs, they're going to go to people from around the world who will come in here and take those jobs.
And so if we're going to be responsive to what's going on in the St. Louis region, we've got to make sure that existing workers have opportunities to access education and training programs so that they can be competitive in learning those new adaptive technologies. It'll be important that the emerging workforce coming out of the K-12 system, as well as transitional workers, dislocated workers, have those opportunities to access the right curriculum so that they can be competitive from an individual standpoint and gain employment in this recovering economy.
Ongoing conversations between business and education providers will help align the green workforce with green job needs.
We listen to businesses. Any of our career and vocational programs, we have an advisory council for those. And the advisory council, those councils are made up of experts in those particular areas. Those are people in business and industry who are hiring our graduates.
Every year we survey about 1,500 companies and do our own survey research. We call it the State of the St. Louis Workforce, where we ask companies a number of questions about their health, their need for skilled workers, the types of skills that they demand. We also have a number of business consultants who work for the community college who are always out in the field talking to companies about their customized training needs. We also have industry councils for all of our degree programs so that we know our curriculum is relevant.
Both employers and job seekers are asking for green training resources to be more readily accessible. As educational institutions adapt their curricula, students are embracing the concept of green.
To be honest, I enjoy learning how to learn, actually. I want to go for environmental engineering. That means I have to, have some basic knowledge about the green technologies that are implemented today. Right now, we have the choice to go green. So if we want to live longer and live healthier, we have to go green.
The task is clear for community leaders across the St. Louis region. Continue sustainability training at even the most basic levels. Continue to promote the adoption of green business. And continue the collaborative conversations among government, education, and business.
We get into this mode where, we're competing for, on a very parochial basis, what we see to be as a job on this particular project, versus stepping back and saying, well, if we were to do something like a gateway to green, for example, where we've become the Silicon Valley of sustainability and greening, well, that could be a way that we differentiate this region for years to come.